go to lesson 4. Lesson 4, part 3, Trenem Tingting Kos. Name lesson and follow good straight line. Stamp up lesson. Also, we start book. You got one picture where you missing out them straight line. Where hemi meaning straight meaning talk God. Listen, yeah. If look savvy or something where might you make him where he pull him out you straight line, yeah. Listen, yeah. You zoom something or lesson where you make him finish. So a good thing about all lesson where you make him finish, time you may go through all example. Be straight line now, you may got picture him calico, so you go hanging picture. More make sure say everyone is always say straight line and meaning straight meaning talk God. More telling back again, say from one important you may stop straight line, you may know outlaw straight line. From where talk God now, more you may want something leading you may one life where you honor good God. So no one important something or you may must think heavy him. Okay, so try and ask him all get up tell him out some fashion where you may have a use on time you may read him one Bible story or one passage. You may have a cast him straight last thing him. So you may want them all get all the answer, all same, find them every information, reading full chapter, think about stamper story and big story and Bible, think about think man way write them book or same Mark or John or Luke, kind of same. I talk around him a little bit. After you got one list now page where you so go through one fashion, more only tell them say yes. Hemi one good fashion, give you me stop straight line, find him straight meaning toto, or no, Hemi no one good fashion, make him. So you say make him full class, or suppose you think say he good more, go put them all get a 2-2, every man he got chance, think about more answer. No good you miss up every time big class, after you got few man no more where only answer him or question or think about or something. Now, you may go some another fashion where might you may make him where he push me out straight line. So he could read him page 31, book here, backside book workbook, where you got some more example where some only by given lesson here, or some lesson 5. So you may first time you may talk about error where tell him leave him out. Okay, so he got one something where suppose you may make him by you may outlaw straight line. So side leave him out. It means say you may not take him full something from where you may leave him out some talk. So one read him one verse no more, leave him out all verse where he stopped before or where he stopped after. So he could now hang him one picture where one triangle where he show him all piece something else. He start off with him one word, after go passage, after full book, after full story and Bible. More think about less module 1. You may look story about rope. Where Jesus he tell him all disciple, Mark chapter 11, tell him all disciple, go karma rope. So you may have go back hemia, remind him all get where you may look say, suppose you carry one verse no more, you talk about rope, it no good. But you talk about or you carry one lasting thing where no straight meaning passage. Or suppose you look small half no more you know think about full book Mark. Now, by you talk about something too, where really think where Mark want to you cuss him, or talk about think about stamper story or big story and Bible. Now, me write a little bit, but still it got big meaning more. So try and use some example where you may use some finish module 1. Suppose you got another for example too, good. might get some more verse where you sabi we man use them. You just come out one verse no more. Same you may sabi make him every something through lo strong power where God he give him lo yumi. But after only misuse, only use them verse yeah where only no look lo how now part blo talk blo man we write them. So you sabi add them up some more example. Now another one way stop lo list forget him all big fla true talk way stop lo passage. I mean say you leave him out big fla talk, but you talk about all small point no more. Now think about module 2 where you may use some example blo Jesus where he feed him give him kake lo planti man lo John chapter 6. So hemia too you may talk about boy with them fish. Suppose you talk about him, now by you let go big fla something where talk about Jesus more, fasten blood Jesus more, tingting blood Jesus. So one example where you may go through him finish, but now you may remind him or get to say kind something now where suppose you may make him, but you may come out lo straight line. Make him talk, it come general too much. So you may leave him out small or when him all specific or small detail, you may leave him out, or you may just make him one cover him up talk. Now, me mess them straight meaning blood talk blood God. So suppose you may take him one story where Jesus he healing man, or you may just stand and say Jesus he love him all man. But might be general too much, so he got one meaning where he straight more blow talent. Think about one example back again. Last one lo list, let go last thing more go straight lo application no more. One where you may look plenty time, but you sabi go back lo story below where Jesus he giving kake lo plenty man back again more talent say suppose you just talk about you look where boy give him kakelo Jesus after it and say you must generous, you must give him kakelo narfa man kind of same. But now you jump because application you missed him, you leave him out big fla story, big fla meaning now he lose. So you say tell him some narfa example where you had him or might all get ask him all get but tell him some example where only look finish or had him finish. You know, blow spoiling man, you know, blow you me judging man, but it just blow you me think about saying no, but tell him or same where you me mess them straight, meaning blow talk blow God from where you me leave him out something, you know good, you me know sabi make him. After I so go lo other way it tell him add them up now. But you may think about some fashion where suppose you may make him, you may stop add them up some thing or some talk where straight talk blow text tell him, but you may no more add them up. Suppose you may make him all same, but you may walk him out one last thing where straight meaning blow passage, but he may come out lo thing blow you may no more. Back again, you think about some example where stop lo page 31 lo book here. Kind something or same way list is that might you have him one talk when not a man Italian, but you know check him. You tell him no more. You tell him back again. You had him one man he preach. Think say me a good bla talk. Me like him talk yeah. But you know check him say me straight meaning blow passage. After you go, but you find him out say no. Me think blow man no more way add him up blow text. So you must careful of him. You got him thing where you look low one video, but you know check him good. Might you tell him where Zacchaeus and me one him kind man where you look low video or you look one extra something where you come out low one video blow Jesus or one him but check him good say and me stop low straight talk low Bible or no God, think blow man where use them blow making video. Or you think about one message first time where you want to tell him out, after you try and force him passage blo I tell him our message where you start thinking about. So I got some example page 31, same you want to talk about literacy day, but you got him one talk where you tell him reading, but you mess them straight meaning blow him, so I mean or something, or misuse, or use them the wrong way. Now if something law list blow or something old fashioned way might you make him blow add them up something where he make him you come out law straight line now, and me suppose you go law one not a passage might me one cross reference, or you think say one supporting passage, or might me one outlaw reading where church you make him law there, but must check him good lasting thing below next another passage before you can come join in with them one where you stop below him, more you sabe finish lasting thing below him. From might me not one me different. Now you can come me confuse man more spoil him first one where you stop below him. So must careful or something here. Last one on list me where you think heavy too much. Lo or rule or fashion lo one church, make him say you adama ting lo olgeta, where you know stop lo passage. Think some example of same lo side lo tithe, or lo side lo when in baptism or married, or some topic all same where churchy got all strong ting lo hem, or fashion where churchy follow him. Think about him first time, it could blow think about straight tok blow God, more come out meaning to him where narfa tok blow church, confusing you, or pull him out you law straight lasting thing, yeah. You just work with him first time, after you start think about narfa something, or application blow him, or how I may fit together with them Tingting blow church. Ale go all group back again, only try and think about all fashion now where you may talk about finish, you may go through him finish. Might you tell them one group, share out them all different fashion where you may read them, or try and push them all get a blow think about example one law fashion. So might you give him one group, one fashion where stop underneath leave him out. The only thing about one example now, or not of a group you tell them all get a low one fashion where add them up after only thing about one example after everyone is sharing with them class.